This is World News House.
In our last video, we mentioned the water problem India has, how important it is, and the necessity of taking some urgent measures to start reverting it or at least prevent it from getting worse. I believe the solution is not just one, but a group of measures aiming to reduce the usage of water in some activities, reduce the water pollution, collect water from non-traditional sources, recycle the discarded water from some activities to use it in other ones, using a cost-effective desalination method, switching to renewable energies. Additionally, there should be some urban planning in place, so any city growth may be preceded by an infrastructure that supports that growth, and in those cases where the city infrastructure has already been surpassed, the situation may be reverted by creating the necessary infrastructure. Houses are places with high water consumption other than in drinking water, toilet flushes, laundry, and lawn artificial irrigation. The water used in those activities doesn't need to be drinkable water. Among other activities that consume a great deal of water, we can mention agriculture, fossil fuel production, especially fracking, which can also impact the water quality when waste fluids are injected back underground for disposal, in some cases leaking into the aquifers. Other activities include coal consumption. Apart from consuming a great deal of water, it produces coal ash as a byproduct of burning coal for energy. The ash may contain toxic contaminants like arsenic or mercury, as well as radioactive material. In some cases, power companies store coal ash in unlined pits, which can leak into underground water. Another main contaminant is raw sewage, poured directly into rivers and lakes. Sewage disposal networks and water treatment before sending it to aquifers are of great importance. Now, the bad news is that climate change is expected to exacerbate a lot of the problems that already threaten our waterways. The good news is that switching to renewable energy could have a double positive impact on drinking water. Not only would it keep coal ash and fracking wastewater out of groundwater, but it would also slow the impact of climate change on other parts of the water system as well. On a positive note, some areas of India are fortunate to have a great amount of rainwater. However, with no rain catching programs in place, most of the water is wasted. In these areas, rain harvesting could be one solution for water collection, and it's inexpensive and highly effective. Collected water can be immediately used for agriculture and with improved filtration practices also quickly available for human consumption. Forestation programs will be helpful in keeping climate humid, generate rain specifically in those areas with semi-desertic climate. Buildings' air conditioning systems generated water can also be collected in tanks and recycled. These tanks should be mandatory for any new building being constructed and can be connected to the city reservoir by pipes or otherwise picked up by trucks. There are some desalination methods that can be implemented without high costs, such as thermal, reverse osmosis, and pressure. By using the piped water system, the water can be delivered to the main cities directly from the producing plant. We also would like to call your attention to a new concept, blue economy, developed by a Belgian national named Gunther Paoli. The concept implies the environment preservation by changing certain manufacturing process in such a way that it would make it even more profitable. In this way, preserving the environment is not just an ethical behavior, but a smart business decision. We will be talking about this in our next video. Again, we would like to hear from you and know of your ideas, so leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.
If you liked this video, hit the like button. We will be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe.